Welcome to a new Draw My Life video. Delicious tacos are, without a doubt, one of the most popular dishes in Mexico. There are tacos of every shape, flavor, and size, depending on which geographical area you are in. Something they all do have in common is tortillas, the heart of the taco, prepared with corn flour, though they can also be made of wheat flour. Truth is, nobody knows exactly about the origin of tacos, but we do know they already existed in the pre-Hispanic period. It is believed tacos were born as the basis for an Olmec diet thanks to the first traces of nixtamalized corn. Even though we have already mentioned their exact origin is unknown, it is said that Moctezuma used tortillas as spoons to grab his food with. They were prepared over hot stones and decorated with beans and chili. Also, people usually wrapped food with tortillas for field workers, in order to make it easier for them to carry them, heat them up, and eat them during their break. This product was already sold in all street markets. The first taquiza registered in history was in Coyoacán. Hernán Cortés brought it for his people. They fried several pigs brought from Cuba and accompanied the meat with tortillas. As years have gone by, new recipes have been appearing. We can find tacos with seafood, insects, tamales, and even taco soups. Everything a wrapped tortilla can hold will end up becoming a taco. Usually, the favorite ones are tacos de canasta, basket tacos, bistec tacos, steak tacos, and tacos al pastor, shepherd style. Tacos al pastor have their origin in central Mexico, and they are the adaptation of the Arab shawarma. They were created thanks to the arrival of Lebanese immigrants during the 60s. They changed lamb for pig, and it is marinated with achiote, vinegar, and chilies. Tacos de canasta are original from the state of Tlaxcala in the 50s, during a severe economic crisis. They are small and usually stuffed with potatoes, beans, pork scratching, marinade, green mold sauce, and more. Locals in the town of San Vicente Xiloxochitla cooked them and kept them wrapped in baskets to keep them warm. They would jump on their bicycles to go to nearby towns and sell their products there. Tacos are part of the cultural and gastronomic diversity in Mexico. They are a simple and original dish, which has triumphed all around the world. We have probably missed lots of tacos in this video. Which ones would you suggest we should try? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. And if you want to see more Draw My Life videos, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode.